Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back. Welcome to our monthly YouTube inspiration hop. We are hopping today for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. All you have to do is hop to each creator on the hop, leave a comment, come back to my link in the description box where you can enter into the giveaway. One person's going to win a $25 gift certificate, and I will post the winner on the community tab. This giveaway will last for 1 week. So along the way, you'll see some projects using our stamp of the month, our paper pad club of the month, and our box of the month. Our March release is called Full Bloom, so you're going to see beautiful projects with florals, gardening, perfect for spring. So here are some cards that I created using the box of the month. Here's a beautiful card stamped with gray, the Spring Blessings sentiment. Love that sentiment. The parts on this card are from the Easy Wonder die number 1. I have a shipping update on the die, so that die will be arriving around March 24th, so I'll be able to start shipping orders as soon as that arrives. So there are some more available on the website. The pre-order is in, so whatever is left on the website is what is available. So limited quantities. This is a fabulous, fabulous die. This card was also made with the die, and I just love how it turned out. This is with the Butterflies and Blossoms collection. And then this is also made with the die. And this is from the Tulips for Sale collection. So let me share what's in your box of the month. So you get a beautiful paper pad called Butterflies and Blooms. It's really, really pretty. The colors in here and the illustrations, they're just gorgeous. I'm going to flip through the one that I already have opened up. So beautiful. The florals in here are stunning. Gorgeous patterns. Look at that beautiful Easter basket. That's the only page that has like an Easter basket. The rest are just florals, butterflies. This one has books, watering cans. Love that. And then let's take a look at the Tulips for Sale. So this one has a nice blue and green palette with the pop of yellow and pink. It's so pretty. The glitter pages in here are stunning. So pretty. You also get the coordinating ephemera, so I'll have a picture of all of it laid out for you. Really, really cute. This will help you make some quick, easy, and stress-free cards. And then we have some beautiful stamps, so if you feel like relaxing and coloring, take out your stamps, take out your favorite mediums, and just relax and color. This one here is called Full Bloom. Beautiful watering cans with those flowers popping out the top. Sentiments: live life in full bloom, enjoy. You are loved, worthy, fearless, beautiful. Spring is here, spring blessings, and take care. And there are 3 sentiments on here that's going to fit on your watering can. So you could stamp in the enjoy, the spring is here, and the take care. This next sentiment here is just because. Gorgeous tulips. Love the long stems. The sentiments: thank you, get well soon, just thinking of you today, to brighten your day, just because, and happy Mother's Day. And then this last one here is just so adorable with those cute little bunnies and this awesome garden house. We have Plant Smiles, and we've got some gardening gear and a little potted plant, a stack of pots. The sentiments read: crazy plant lady, Me, My Plants, and I garden, and then Plant Smiles, Grow Laughter, Harvest Love. What a great set. So in the junior box, you're getting this stamp set, and the Butterflies and Blooms collection. So if you wanted the smaller version of the box of the month, you can grab the junior box of the month. And all of these kits are available as a subscription or a one-time purchase. When you subscribe, you get 18% off. You get your box or subscription shipped to you every month automatically. So this is the Paper Pad Club this month. We've got A Walk in My Garden and Spring Watercolors. This is a great staple to have. You can pair this up with other paper pads you have in your collection. Just a beautiful watercolor look and all these pretty colors. Perfect for spring. And it'll carry you through the other months as well. It coordinates perfectly with the Walk in My Garden paper pad, which features beautiful florals. We've got a solid, a tone on tone, some birdhouses. There's some glitter, a tone on tone with little stars, some dots, really, really pretty glitter, potted plants, and I love the green in this collection. It's very, very pretty. And then the coordinating ephemera matches this. This is an add-on, so you can add that onto your subscription. You do get 18% off when you have your ephemera added on, and that will reoccur with every order. If you are on the Paper Pad Club and you're interested in this add-on, I could manually do that for you. Just give me an email and I will add it on for you. It's $6.55 to add on. And I'm going to show a photo of all of this laid out for you. I'll just bring a couple of pieces up close so you can see the detail. Very, very pretty. This is nice quality cardstock. It's thick. It's nice and white. I thought I'd stamp out that beautiful tulip stamp set for you today. Every month I tried to coordinate the stamp of the month with the Paper Pad Club of the month. There's many of you that have both of these subscriptions, so I like to kind of coordinate it so you can use it all together if you wanted. I think it's really, really nice. And let me share the card I did using the Paper Pad Club of the month. I did use the sentiment from the Stamp and Die of the month. And this is actually an easel card, which is really, really fun. You create a little stopper here. I do have a live video showing how to create this card if you missed that live. I will link it at the end of this video. And you write your little message inside, and then you can mail it off nice and flat. So let's take a closer look at the Stamp and Die of the month. The die does come on a magnetic sheet, so you can easily store that away. And then we have the stamp here, which has some really cute gardening images, some birds. We have the branches you can have your little birds sit on, a birdhouse. You can dangle your birdhouse from the branches. And we got some tools and seed packets, a little starter plant in a soup can, a little plant, a potted plant, some tulips, and then we have the sentiments. Love grows here. Each day is a new beginning. Introverted but willing to discuss plants. And then we've got Welcome to My Garden. Just a really nice set. But let's go ahead and stamp out these gorgeous tulips. I'm going to try and do some very light watercoloring, so I'm going to use the VersaFine Clair in Nocturne. I'm not using watercolor paper, so I can't really use too much water, but I'm going to use the Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers with a little water. You want to be careful with that so your paper doesn't peel. And let's see, I think I want to stamp on and off my paper. So let's move this a little bit to the center. I want it to look like it's continuing off the paper. And then I think I'm going to do the Happy Mother's Day. Let's make my mom a Mother's Day card. So we'll have that somewhere in the center. Now, to do something like this, you might want one of those sticky mats. I'm going to try to do this without my sticky mat because my sticky mat is not sticky right now. I would have to clean that, so I'm going to take a chance. Maybe add another magnet. Okay, that's looking really pretty. Okay, that looks great. Okay, so I just have a piece of plastic palette here, and I'm going to take the pinks in the set. This one is called Pink. And I'm just going to put the color down, and then I'll pick it up with my water brush. This one's light carmine. And then this one is light pink. And then we've got deep green. May green. And light green. Then I'm using a water brush. It has water in the barrel. And then I'm just going to get that a little bit wet. Pour out some of the water. And then I'm just going to pick this up and color that way. And then I'm just going to leave this really nice and light because I don't want this paper to peel. And then I'm going to pick up the other colors just to get like a variation in my coloring. Okay, so there's some simple watercoloring. Absolutely no technique needed to do that. I'm going to do some splattering. I have this Distress Mica Stain, Frosty Mint, and Sugary Gumdrop. I'm going to put some of that on my palette and pick it up with the water brush and then kind of just flick it on here. Hopefully these colors look okay on here. I might, no, actually it just soaked in. So what I'm gonna do is get a regular paint brush. See if this little fine one will work. There we go, and just splatter on. All right, so I'm gonna let that dry and then we'll add it to a card base. So here's the completed card. I added some sparkling enamel dots in the spring colors. Then I have my card matted on a hot pink card base, and I think it turned out really, really sweet. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hop on over to the next creator in this hop for some more inspiration for our March releases over at Not Too Shabby Shop. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.